Hi, my name is Michael Lowit, and this is my final project for geocomputing. Today, I'm going to be using QGIS to show you how to select polygons within a specified distance from a line feature. In this case, I'm going to be using deer wintering areas as the polygon, and I'm going to be using roads in Vermont as the line layer. This is useful for conservation and assessing how close critical habitat is to roads, which is a major threat for deer. So the first thing you want to do is narrow down the road layer to only the major roads and highways. So go to attribute table, select feature by or using expression, and then go to fields and values, click functional. And then it helps to do just 10 samples, so it'll show you some of the ones there are. So we want to select all the ones that are principal arterial. So type open quotation, do a percent so that it selects anyone with that word in it and not just that specific thing. So principal arterial, another percent symbol and close, and then do or. Click on functional again, and then we're going to do major. Okay, once you have it like this, select features, then you can see all of the features we want are selected in yellow. So once you do this, right click on the roads, export, save selected features as. And then want to make sure it's the right one. You could just do geopackage, file name. Okay, I'll name it VT major roads demo, and save. And then just click OK. And then you can turn off the other layer, and it helps to just re-symbolize this one. Red, make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so now it's easier to see. So this is just the major roads in Vermont. Okay, now we will create a buffer around these new major road lines and use that buffer to determine which polygons are within a kilometer of the lines. So make sure that's highlighted, vector, geoprocessing tools, and hit buffer. And then the input layer is the one we just created. The distance is going to be 1,000 meters and dissolve result so that all of the new polygons created in the buffer are turned into one big polygon. So run, close, this is the new buffer, and then go to vector, research tools, select by location, and then select features from deer wintering areas. Make sure it's intersect so that any of the polygons that intersect with each other are selected, and then compare to buffered. So create new selection, run. Close that, and you can turn off the buffers layer. And then the ones selected are the polygons we want. So do like before, right click on the deer wintering areas, export, save selected features as deer within 1 kilometer demo do. Okay, so these are the deer habitat polygons that are within 1 kilometer of the roads. Now that we have this new layer, we can use some built-in statistics tools to give us some information about these new habitat patches that we've identified. First, click the new layer, click vector, analysis tools, and basic statistics for fields. Make sure the right one is selected and do hectares. That's one of the attributes. That's the one that's going to have the statistics calculated. Run and open that up and go back and do it for the other one. You can just stay in the same thing, change it to deer wintering areas, hectares again, run. Okay, so if we look at the statistics that were just created in the original file, 242,000 hectares of land of these deer wintering areas was present, and in the one we created, 176,000 hectares of land is present within 1 kilometer of the major roads in Vermont. And then just a quick calculation, that's 72% of all of the area. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial will help you with any similar issues you're having.